This is how much Gabby loves applesauce. She loves applesauce. She loves all her fruits. She loves all her vegetables too. But now we're going to try beef for the first time. And we'll do just a little bit. Ready? It's okay. And try it. So it's better than chicken. You did not like your chicken. Let's try a little bit more. Let's go back to applesauce. We love our applesauce. Yeah. More applesauce. Now a little bit of beef. Yeah, not that bad. Not that bad. A little bit more. Daddy's gonna be so proud of you. Here we go. Boom. Get that out of the way. More applesauce. More meat. It's okay. It's like a steak. Steak. And applesauce.